We're in the water, and this is seamoss. This is what it looks like. Right? So I'm going to plant this one on the roof. So this was last step.
Right now she's planting it. It's a simple knot. And then...
There we go.
Right, well done. My wife looks so gorgeous in the water. So gorgeous.
So we only do this on Sundays because we don't really have time to do it during the week, like I said. Sundays are holidays.
Yeah, pretty much. But this is the views. Very beautiful. Nice work, very rewarding. This is us in our element. Yes, and the process also involves cleaning up the ropes, making sure no moss is growing on the ropes. That's what she's doing at the moment. And then afterwards she will tie it up to one of the sticks. Make sure it doesn't lie on the seabed. Actually, if it lies on the seabed, then it will not grow to its full capacity. So
the thing with the seabed, there's something called we call it pearl shot. Sometimes it comes in the water, and if the seamoss is too low, it breaks the seamoss and it goes with it.
yeah,
So,
I'm not too sure if the pearl shot is
if you realize, you'll see they have bottles in the other farms. So they put those bottles in the floaties to make the lines float up. So when the pearl shot, if you see this, I can show it to you. When the pearl shot passes through the water, it will not break the seamoss. Yes, that is something it looks like, but it should be a lot bigger.
This is pearl shot right here. This is not good for the seamoss. It actually kills the seamoss. Breaks it up.